been having trouble trying to get that camera started recording. Anyway, doing a load of my shirts. So I filmed it on Tuesday, I've got loads I had to do. It's up from 4 to 6 shirts. Because it's sort of light colours. I'll get over on in a minute. I'm going to use Ariel XL gel as detergent and some anchor salve for the softener. So put a half cap full of that'll do. Top of the load. Giving an enhanced water level, so we'll just put it on the fast wash 60 to fill it up, and then acrylics 40 with mirror load, reduced creases, and reduced temper cold. Seems ridiculous, I just charged those batteries in not less than 5 minutes. Two times concentrated detergents. Huh? It says it, 2 times concentrated detergent, and then it's got a little star, and you've got to read on the back, versus Ariel compact liquid. You can see there that the gel has not come out yet. And crazy speedy it is. Again, it took his ages to come out because it is a gel, not a liquid. You see, now it's starting to get sudsy. So we're going to go for an acrylics. Make sure I don't press wall. Go for either light or mini load. So mini load takes 12 minutes off and light takes 10 minutes off. I've got 6 shapes, so we'll go from light soil instead. Reduce creases. And temperature of, oops, cold. So 49 minutes. Oh, rinse hold, and after we start it, chat lock. Sorry about that, just making sure. That's a nice water level. There. Just up to the door. My favourite water level. Okay, the battery is now dying out. The cyber shots on. Oh my god, now I found something new out about this washer. Because on reduced creases, I know it fills up even more after a couple of minutes. But I didn't know it was still a manual fill. By the way, there's still some gel left in that detergent, the dispenser thing. Ooh, it's under there.
So you'd hope the changes aren't just cosmetic, and indeed they aren't. Dear God! It's gone up from 555 brake horsepower to 602. Two Porsche cables in a car that weighs less than one Porsche cable.
Look. Detergent. I'll have to stop it in a minute. I'm running out of memory. Forget battery, memory's running out.
about that combination.